Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Candle Trek. So today we're gonna again review what kind of trades I took and why I took. From the thumbnail, you might know what is the situation today. Okay, so let's go back to the first trade that I took. This was basically over here after this long downtrend. I again wanted, like, I thought it is gonna go down again, so I entered because what I was seeing is something like this. See, for me, this was a pretty good pullback of some sort. So when this candle was forming, I just entered in a short. And that did not turn out to be good because I was just stopped out. It moved again some in my direction. I entered again over here, but I think I got greedy. I did not exit it when it came back to the this region. It almost, I guess, even broke it. So I guess it broke it almost. Yeah, it broke it. So I did not even stop there. So it took a stop loss out of me. And after that, I was seeing it is going in a pretty good, like, very choppy, but in some sort of a uptrend. So when it came back over here, I wanted to enter, but no, at that point, it wanted to go down. Like, it stopped me out. And then I was seeing again, it did look very choppy, but what I was seeing is this is a pullback and this might be one down. So I entered a short. Yeah, and did not turn out to be good. Again, it went in the opposite direction. So it was still uptrend. Then I entered over here. I had put a TP for this, I guess, because I could not manage this trade sitting over here. So I had put a TP for this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, so this was this trade. After that, it came down. I re-entered over here, but I realized I was entering with a zero point 0.1 lot. I restarted the MT5. It asked for some update or something like that. So that's why it was again reset back to zero point 0.1. So I just cut it off as soon as possible and I re-entered with a 0.05, which was again not in the direction that that the market was trying to go. So up to like this many trades, it is very clear that I am pretty bad at judging the markets when it looks something like this. When it is trending, I know it is trending, but when it is something like this, I lose everything, every trade. Every trade on the screen that you see over here is basically lost. So there are four trades all lost. When it is some sort of trending like this, then only I know how to trade, right? And I don't think learning in a choppy market or learning to trade in a choppy market is a good thing because it is literally not doing anything. It can go anywhere. So I was totally chopped out in this range and miss out all of these big moves whenever they happen. I think these sort of big moves happen only in like Japanese session and London session. That is first Tokyo session and London session. Because whenever New York market opens, there's so much volume, so many people trading that it takes a lot of time to just decide where it wants to go. Just right, let me show you one thing. You might not even know. I will not tell you which session is this, but you will just know by looking at the structure over here. So let me actually enable. So see. You will know when the New York market starts. It goes pretty good. It is not looking something wacky. Do you see where is the New York market open over here? Or at least the New York markets, this region. You might also say with volume. I can close the volume if you want to. But yeah, see, it is pretty clear when this New York market. So let's check again. Let's check again. Let's go back and let's try to find the place where I think it is New York markets. So let's go back. Oh wow. Yep. This thing, I guess, or this whole thing is in New York session. Let me turn on the volume. Where's New York session? But it is not opening. I guess it is somewhere around over here because it is doing lots of wacky job over here. To trade in New York session or New York market, I think I would need uh, a bit lower time frame than even 1 minute because this sort of thing might look totally wacky in this 1 minute time frame, but in 0 point or let's say 20 seconds time frame, it might even look pretty good uptrends, pretty good downtrends, some stuck over here again a downtrend. So it might look good in a 20-second chart. That is three times more information than this. You have to react three times faster than you are reacting over here, and your quantity would be three times higher than what I'm trading right now, because in 20-second chart the moves will not be that great, and for most of the time you can always expect these candles to be lower than this zero point 0.5 mark, so a lot lower actually. So I don't know how to get that 20-second chart on MT5, but if you guys know how to do it, you might tell me in the comments, because yeah, I want to try that. And I think in this time frame, in the time when I'm trading, it is not good, because in New York session, all of these sessions in New York times or New York sessions, what happens is I only get time to trade in at that time, and in a 1 minute chart is not a good time frame to trade. It might be a good time frame to trade on a 15 or a 5 minute chart, but I don't have the courage for that yet, because it takes a lot of time to see setups form. For example, you might see there is a short setup in the 15 minute chart over here. You might enter at this point. You might expect the break of this, but I'm not that patient. Like, I cannot wait that much. And I cannot even monitor it. That is a bad thing. I could not even monitor this trade. So I could actually, let's do it. I don't know how far it will go, but let's create the smallest lot that I can create at this point and expecting the break over here. So let's sell it. Okay, so I sold it over here and I expect it to go up to there. If in profit, I'll just take get 5 points. If in loss, I'll just lose how many? Of more than 5 points. Let's actually just make the stop loss over here. Three, right? So yeah, this is my trade. Let's see how it goes. It is a very like long visioned trade, but yeah, let's see what happens. I'll update you about this tomorrow. But for now, today the market was again not so good for me. I lost 24, as you might have seen from the thumbnail. So this is it. See you guys tomorrow.